Hi, I am Limon, and in this video I'll show you how to fix the error in Adobe After Effects when it says guest preview needs 2 or more keyframes to playback. Now let's get started.
Here on my screen, you can see I have a project open in my timeline. Now if I go over to the preview panel and try to play the animation, you'll notice the error message appears. Instead of playing the preview, After Effects tells us that the cached preview needs 2 or more keyframes. This issue can happen for a few different reasons, but the solution I'm about to show you works in many cases, especially if you're using the puppet tool in your animation. So let's fix it. Go down to the timeline panel. Look for the small star icon in the layer switches area. This icon controls the Continuously Rasterize option. If you don't see this column, don't worry. Just click toggle switches modes at the bottom of the timeline or simply press the F4 key on your keyboard. Once the switches appear, look for that star icon. Now turn that icon off for the layer or composition where you use the puppet tool. In my case, I use puppet animation in this test composition, so I'll disable it here. For other compositions where you didn't use puppet animation, you can leave it turned on. Alright, now let's try playing the animation again. And there we go. The preview plays perfectly now, but if it still doesn't work for you, there are a couple more quick things you can try. First, press Ctrl S to save your project, then close the project and reopen it. Sometimes a quick refresh fixes the issue. If the problem still continues, go up to Edit, then select Purge and click All Cache. This clears the cached files that After Effects uses for previews. After clearing the cache, it's also a good idea to restart your computer just to fully reset everything. In most cases, one of these steps should solve the problem, and that's it. That's how you fix the cache preview needs 2 or more keyframes to playback error in Adobe After Effects.